Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So finally we get to Abiriba, the small London of Abia State, the small London in Wenena Alibo, village de ka small town, village de ka small city, village de ka Lekki, a village where you have a lot of beautiful edifices scattered all over. So this road that I'm flying through right now is also part of the Ohafia stroke Ozakoli stroke Abiriba stroke Ohafia. It's a 67-kilometer road constructed by the executive governor of Abia State, His Excellency Dr. Alex Chioma Oti Oji Uzo Edoziobodo, one of Africa. So guys, you can see the road is so sweet, so smooth. Fortunately, which are street lights. You know, a lot of people don't know a lot of column. This Abiriba. I went to Abiriba on the 30th of December 2025. Happy New Year to all my viewers. Happy New Year to all my subscribers, to all that watch my video from wherever you are watching from. So guys, I'm going to show you the reason why Abiriba is called Small London. So just kindly watch this video down to the end and see for yourself. Wuranage Boa Christmas, Wuranage Wefo Ife Dinime, this beautiful and popular, because Abiriba is very popular. Like from when I was a kid, I've been hearing Abiriba. Abiriba is a small London, it's a small London. So guys, when you watch this video, you will see for yourself why it is really a small London. And for those that might think it's overrated, watch this video first, then you will now be the judge whether it is overrated. So Abiriba is located in Ohafia local government area. But is located in Ohafia LGA. So in this road, this 67-kilometer road that you are seeing, you will see that it has a modern street lights. It's solar powered. I wanna charge a water. So abana balujiraka ya megin automatically ya by or wouldn't can 18 back in the days and I connect in all mad. This one is not connected to anybody's house. This one, you know, charge, and then at night, phew, boy, see topography. Can you feel the ambience of this environment? Can you see the ambience? Can you in a whole to ever see where the landscape, the topography, the ambience, the everything got there? So patiently watch before you start really saying Abiriba na bush. This is not like the entrance we are as they enter. So very soon you start seeing big mansions. Some of them, the type of mansions you're going to be seeing here, you go see them for Lekki, you go see them for Port Harcourt, you go see them for Owerri. You understand? So no be say how they hyper move, now just so it be. So just they watch this video, but before you go jump, maybe you go to see as the Abiriba day. I just want me to see the road where they go the Abiriba. Say it very okay, because if to say, you know, you talk say you from here, the first thing people go ask you if they want to go your place now is the road good. You understand? So those are Abiriba, but they very okay. Now we are very close to the roundabout. A roundabout, no, there may one roundabout, no, we're very close to that roundabout, as in around the army checkpoint. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. So Abiriba is just after Igbere on a Bende LGA, then Abiriba on Ohafia LGA. So I don't know other places Abiriba when boundary with Amamo with Arochukwu and some other places. Imara, if you know, you can tell us in the comment section. So this Abiriba we they hear about all the time, Abiriba small London, Abiriba small London. Or would you know Hinine is not a very big place, you know, all the one small, but here not there the able, here not there the big, and the people get doings. The people of Abiriba, they get doings. A lot of businessmen and women watch under Abiriba and here when they doings. And when that mama no boda, AG bambo boda the kanambara no hana bezi bombo. Don't worry, if the first house I got on a video I get you malon no na the side that na. So no be small thing how they do for Abiriba. Abiriba nwere mmadụ, Abiriba nwere men, ma ndị a na-etu afa n'egwu ndị dị ka Jumbo. Abiriba first son ana m ekele ọbụrụ small thing ọbụla ile. So you get see from ebe a na-elegodi ezigbote ụlọ ahụ nọ na front. You'll be seeing a very beautiful edifice in front, a beautiful edifice in front, and very soon we'll get close and I'm going to show you a clearer view of that mansion, and then I take you to some other parts, some other areas. Okay, fokwa no ezigbo mansions no kwaya. So this video is not going to contain, you know, the whole areas in Abiriba. So after watching this video down to the end, I'm drop all the second part. So I'm gonna drop the videos part by part. So this is the mansion. Can your village mansion ever just look at the house? His home, you know, hometown and a village, you know. Just look at the building. Very, very nice. Bro, small thing. Front. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Please kindly click the subscribe button and the notification bell above, so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. So I believe this section, this area now, the road you are seeing, I believe this section hasn't been fixed in earlier, and if we do not order, okay, but I believe that they are going to work on it. Then this is the roundabout I was telling you about. From here now, I abawazie ime obodo fufu. Welcome to Abiriba. So ile anya fo na Abiriba nwere ụzọ. Look at the road. Enwere ike na-agwa n'ọwụ ofu onye ji ọsọ bịa ha tere ko ta na tere ya tere chi agawa, because they don't have ịbata n'ime obodo Abiriba na ị ga na afọ red sand as in aja nkịtị. They like to do that on their roads or a wire with cement. Ya digodi okay, mana no men no around. So ị na-afụzi village, ị ga amazi na ebe ahụ village ndị mmadụ. So guys, thanks for watching this video down to this extent, and I believe you're going to watch to the end. Kifupo more things ndi n'obodo Abiriba.